Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see here, beautiful bit of kit. This here is a EFi to carb kit. Okay, this is to take your Magnetti Marelli system off. So what you're going to get a genuine, this is actually a part worn genuine one. We normally got new ones in, so obviously this is a genuine one, which would normally cost a lot more, but it is perfect condition. Now, you got your carb. This is a 42. You've got an air filter. This particular one is a RevTech, fully top of the range like they use on their big motors. Comes with all the breathers and everything ready to bolt on. Okay, this one's a 110. You can get them with 88, 110, whatever you want on them. Okay, and you've also got, well, you could obviously use a normal glue on top of that, the old Screaming Eagle Live to Ride, whatever you want, you know. But you come complete with the ignition, which does the job. It's got the coil, you've got your leads, 2 plugs also supplied with this kit as well. You've got new jets for it, you've got an adapter for the carb, which on this particular filter you won't need, in all honesty, but we do provide that anyway, in case you want to change the filter. But this kit, ready to go. Convert any Magnetti Marelli bike straight to run on Carburettor. Okay, gives you a lot more go, a lot more power, a lot more fun, sounds better, ticks over better. Really is a win-win situation. Let's face it, you can't get the spares for these Magnetti Marelli bikes anymore now anyway. So if you do want TPSs or injectors or anything, they're just not available. If you're interested in anything, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.